How to fly with light fruit Blox Fruits on PC. Hello everyone, in this video I'll teach you how to fly using the light fruit in Blox Fruits on PC. It's a simple process, so follow along. To unlock this ability, you need to consume the light fruit, which you can purchase from the Blox Fruit dealer. After eating it, you will gain access to the range of moves, including offensive options like the vine arrow and hand of the emperor. One particularly useful skill is Shining Flight. Shining Flight allows you to soar with the light fruit by pressing the F in your skills menu after consuming the fruit. You will then transform into a beam of light and move at high speed. While you can adjust your direction mid-flight, maneuvering can be challenging, especially when changing directions quickly. However, flying straight is the most effective way to traverse the map, offering unparalleled speed. Remember to activate the Shining Flight by pressing F in the default move set for the light fruit after consumption. If you're using a controller, the keybind may differ, so explore your controller settings. On PC, simply press F to initiate the Shining Flight and swiftly navigate the map. Despite some difficulties in changing directions, you can control your flight path. I hope this guide on flying with the light fruit in the Blox Fruits on PC has been helpful. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.